Kilominx. This puzzle is known as the Kilominx, also known as the 2x2 megaminx. So, you should have an understanding about notation right now. Now, I'm not going to require you guys to solve a normal 2x2 or 3x3. If you don't know how to do notation, make sure to go back to my 2x2 or 3x3 tutorials on how to solve the Rubik's Cube or 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So the method I'm using today is going to be it's not going to be the fastest way to solve the Kilominx, but it will be the easiest to explain. So the first step is going to get a white layer. So I have a stickerless Rubik's Cube, stickerless Kilominx, and you see these little dots. These are the centerpieces. So you need to make sure to hold it up between their centers. It's just like the corners. So you may remember this algorithm from many places. So you can find a piece that has white and red, and you find the white and red. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some intuitive moves. And then we will bring it underneath the slot, and you can remember the algorithm. It's R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. That's not oriented correctly. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. Now you find the next piece, which is white and blue. See the white and blue? Do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, until it's in the right spot. See, now we'll find white and yellow. You see the white and yellow right here. Hold it up, right? R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. Now this slot is solved. Now you find the last piece, which is white and purple. See the white and purple? It's R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. And now we have the first layer complete. So the next step is going to be to get these pieces but in their centers, okay? So we're going to hold this to the left like this, so it will make it easier. We see a piece right here. I see a piece right here. We can do this algorithm. It's R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And there we go. So now we can see we can't bring this piece up because that's not correctly done. So I think we're going to find another piece. So let's say this one, it's R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And there we go. Now that's, and I want to find a piece with green and purple and tan. You see it's right there. You see it's in the slot, but it's not in the correct slot. Do this algorithm once. And now we can do some intuitive moves. And there we go. Now it's in the slot. And we are almost done. We just have to complete it. See, we can do some intuitive moves here. And there we go. Find the last piece, so which is right over here. Do it a couple times. And you see we can bring it underneath its slot. Okay, now it's all solved, but it has messed up some other ones. So it looks like these can be solved pretty easily. So you do this algorithm a couple times. There we go. Now we have this. Now the next step is going to get these colors completed. So we do R prime, D prime, R, D. Find some intuitive moves, so you can just bring it up like that. This one is right in the correct spot. Just rotate it. There we go. Find some last ones. See, we can't. Now we can do R prime, D prime, R, D. This one, I can just do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. E, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And we are almost done. This piece right here just needs to be rotated using this algorithm. There we go. Now we have our white and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors completed. The next step, we're going to have to flip this over. You may remember this from the 2x2 tutorial, and we hold the gray side up like this, and you see yellow still on the bottom, and do this algorithm. It's R prime, D prime, R, D, E, R prime, D prime, R, D. And after you do that a couple times, you not want to rotate the whole cube. Just turn the top layer, and do it a couple of times. There we go. We have the gray side up, and we haven't messed up. So the next step, we're going to have to find, we're going to have two cases. We can have two of them facing different directions like this. You can have a case where you have two of them lined up like this. So we're going to start with the case with two of them facing out. We're going to hold it like this. So you see, so if we line it up like this, we can just turn it, but that is lined up, but we can't, so we turn it. Now they are in the right direction. You may remember this algorithm from the 2x2. It's R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. See, now we have one, so we turn it once, we have one, and we have another. So we're going to hold it like this. We have two of them facing out and one of them facing the other direction. And you do the same like as we did. So R, U, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F. R2, U prime, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, F prime. See, now you should have your Kilominx solved. Other times when you have that same case, nothing will really happen. Just do the algorithm again. So that's about pretty much it for this tutorial. Again, it's the same as the 2x2, and you may know that it will be a T-perm. So yeah, so see I'm doing it a couple times. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you really like the video, guys, leave a like down below. Want to be notified? Hit that subscribe button to be notified, and hit that notification button to never miss a video. I'll see you next time.